I'm going to faraway countryside. I have a three places in mind to visit today. But let's see how it goes. From Kingston, I have to make a stop over here. From here, I'm gonna continue my journey to my destination points. From the Spanish town I used to know. It's a typically new structure. Let me have a look on the other side. I think because of this new look behind the road toward this gas station, let me see how they look over there. Looks like it's called Trick Fashion. Wow, this is a new structure, a new plaza in town of Spanish town. Wow, it's a new place. All right, let me go back and get a car to where I'm going to. That is it, viewers. See you later. Hello guys, I have to stop over here and pick some stuff. Even though this is not my destination, but I'm seeing what I like over here, so that prompted me to pick up some stuff. And this location is Clarendon. You can see, so I'm trying to pick up some stuff over here because I am African original, you know, so it's amazing, honestly, that I'm seeing some things that definitely define some elements of nature around them. And you know, I love nature. I love nature. So I'm trying to pick up some bits.
Over here.
And brother, your name is what?
My name is Gary.
Gary.
Yeah, but overall, my street name is not nice.
All right.
KNOTNYC.
All right.
As in making the things that most people think are possible. I make it possible.
Honestly, I love this. I'll pick one of these kind of because there's so much energy on kind of for anything about kind of palm fruits, palm nuts, everything.
All right, and these now is a teardrop, which they call Jacob tears.
What? So this what?
This is Jacob tears. Teardrops are raindrops. Yeah. The teardrops are raindrops, which is called Jacob tears.
How do you get it? Where do you get it? Is it
the tree are out here. They're out here. Yeah. The hills are out here. This is a horse eye. Yeah, rub this on the wall, get hot, burn them.
This in Africa we eat it.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is make soup.
Yeah, but we know this is a herb can use for medicinal levels. Listen. Yeah. Medicinal levels, huh?
Yeah. Apart from this, you made as necklace, you have anyone you can put on their hand? With this, you make with this.
Let me check to see if I
check and
but
see
I can make you one quickly.
Yeah, if you can make that, I will like it because
it's not in there.
Wow.
This have colors, but I can make it origin, different from the colors. So
yeah, if you can choose my color for me and make a use.
You would like it yours to look like this, right?
Yeah. Like if you can. Okay. Yeah, make me use the color of my channel, blue and white.
And this now, same tears, conch shell.
Conch shell, alright.
Yeah. These are stones. These are stones. Those are stones.
You deal on stones too?
Yeah, these are stones.
Wow. You know, stones has different energy.
Yeah.
And different definitions, you know?
Yeah. All stones. Genuine. Stones. No, that one is shell.
This is shell.
Yeah, but these are stones.
So where are the stones? This one is stone, right?
Yeah, man, stones. Yeah.
But unfortunately, you know the names of this stone?
This one is this is a white stone. This one is the turquoise stone. All right, this here is a clear quartz stone. right? And this one, I don't remember the name of this one, but I have the tiger stone as well, which is this tiger eye.
Tiger eye.
This is the tiger eye. I'm gonna show you a full
So
necklace with the tiger eye.
you go out and pick up these stones by yourself.
No, I order them sometimes.
You order them.
Yeah, man. This is a black obsidian stones and the clear quartz crystals, in other words. Yeah, so you can look at it. Yeah, so I'm gonna make the bracelet, right? I have you know the one that's called cocoon?
Cocoon.
Yeah. There's a cocoon. This is a cocoon.
This for us Aquarians.
Yeah, this is a cocoon.
Cocoon, yeah, yeah.
And these are bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah.
These are the bamboo, yeah.
Yeah. I can give you one of each if you like, huh? As in the seed.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Nickel.
Yeah, yeah.
The nickel. Yeah. It's more palm tree seed.
This is another palm tree seed.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Alright.
Yeah, man.
So all these stones here have some energies, elements of energies about them.
Yeah.
So viewers, people that doesn't know about culture, African way of life, they don't know that some of these stones has energies. Some of them has healing powers. You understand that? So this is what Africa is known for before the era of colonization.
Yeah.
And the colonization is all about destruction.
Yeah, man.
For somebody colonize you, that person has to fight you.
I know.
So a lot of things are being destroyed in Africa through means of colonization, and they introduce something that is alien, foreign to Africa, and that shifted, that shifted the mindset, ideas of people from generation of Africans today, living in the motherland and the overseas. Some of them don't know the importance, the meaning, the nature, the gift, the energy, the power. Some of these stones.
And also the quality.
Some of them, all this, the power they have, what they, they have, the nature, what God put into them.
Yeah.
You understand? So in Africa, back in the days, our great forefathers, they know much more about some of all these things.
I know.
So that's it.
So it is. There are
all these are stones, natural stones.
Yeah, natural stone. No,
all these.
Yeah, all these.
No, so what do you call this?
The blue one here is a I'm trying to pick one. The blue, they're all healing power stones.
Healing power stones.
And the spirituality. Yeah. Understand? It connect with even the mind.
Yeah, this stone is from water?
Huh?
This one is from water?
Yeah, they are earth stones.
They are earth from earth here.
From the earth, yeah. And most of them are from Africa as well. Yeah. Natural stones. As you can see, they're all natural stones. And they're all appealing for. This one is a snow quartz.
Snow quartz?
Yeah, just like they have clear quartz, it's a snow quartz. Yeah.
Can you give me this? Put it on my neck, let me see. Because I love this. This is the quartz in here. You have the quartz too.
Yeah, that's clear quartz as well. Snow quartz, but yeah. I feel more into myself wearing these. Wearing these yourself more. Yeah, but the connection is there with nature. Yeah, that's how you feel within yourself. Yeah. And this is also shells and crystals. But this is Jamaican crystal stones.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, brother. It's nice meeting you. Honestly, I'm making videos. I go over Jamaica. If you go to my channel, you'll see a whole lot of videos I made here in Jamaica. So I'm moving over down to meet somebody who asked me to come, a friend I'm visiting. Yeah. But when I was passing, I just look around. I said, wow, let me see. Because I'm trying to make out time one day to go to where they make beads and people that sell stones and make videos with them. But fortunately, today I don't plan for this, but it has come. So this video, I'm gonna produce this and title it, and I don't know your name, I don't know your business name, but this is
right here is and this building here is Sumption.
This Clarendon, right?
Yeah, this is Clarendon.
Clarendon, all right.
You know, so give a change.
If you're in Clarendon, if you can, to locate this place is not all that difficult. You can breeze in here and come and pick 1 or 2 stuffs. Honestly, what I'm seeing here is amazing. I see a whole lot of stuff that I cannot be able to talk. If you like nature and African way of life and fashion, you can breeze in here whenever you're in Meepen and pick 1 or 2 stuffs. In case you never know, this is Clarendon in Meepen. And
what I don't have, I made a spot if I have the material. Then.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah,
it's all right. Oh, what do you call this? Man, I see a whole lot here.
Yeah.
What do you use to make this?
These are made of it's a different kind of.
Is it stone?
No, this is not. These are not stones. These are more like brick stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this?
But these are leather.
This is a leather. What about
leather
this?
material? This is plastic glass.
Plastic glass. All right.
But the picture would be underneath.
All right. It's just bango. They made it bango. They made it the bango purpose, right?
Yeah. And different types here as well.
So you can wash up this. You can use it on beds.
Yeah. This can wash.
Bed.
Yeah, man. This can wash. This is a cow teeth.
Cow teeth.
For cow, yeah, man.
If it's a lion teeth now, grab it, man.
And this is a crab claw.
Crab claw.
Claw for crab.
Yeah.
These are crystals. Stones.
Stones.
Yeah, man.
But this one is pure stone, right?
Pure stone.
I'll take it. Then I take this one. This coconut thing. I like this because when I put up this now, it makes me original African man. So if you know and you love Africa and you know much more about Africa, when you see me, like some people when they see me, they ask me if I'm from Africa, if I'm African. I say, see me as a black man, I'm Africa already.
Oh, but as me now,
they say no, they want to know if I am Jamaican Africa, American Africa. I say Africa is Africa. Yeah. You understand? Even though you're American, you're still African.
Yeah.
It's separate. So Chapter is a town, Timothy is a town.
So they are separate, different town of their own, but they are in a
neighboring. Yeah, neighboring.
What a Meepen?
No, Meepen is different. Meepen is totally different. Meepen is totally different. So you're actually in a different place from Meepen.
So I'm not in Meepen now. I'm out from Meepen.
Right. So
I was thinking that this is part of Meepen.
No.
So what parish is Chapelton now?
No, Chapelton is at the parish. Okay. Right, so we're all this is just a town, Clarendon. Okay,
in Clarendon, all in Clarendon, all of them in Clarendon.
Right, so we are still in Clarendon, so it's just a different district. A different company.
I understand.
Right, so but it's just that they are neighboring community.
They don't have anything like stream here or maybe river or
So,
they have stream here?
Yeah, so behind us, you're not going to see it from here, but behind us
it's far.
No, it's not far, but
let's go there now.
I was going to show you the river.
Well, let's go there. When I was coming, I saw something like stream.
Yeah, man.
Or
so
river.
That's the Thomas River.
Thomas River, yeah.
Right.
You see some people, they put their cow in between there. You know, why I ask that anything about nature, I love it so much.
Yeah, man.
You can see, I just bought this things now from that place because I've been trying to see where I can get it. I never see. So I was luckily for me, I saw it there. The rest of man.
So over there is a mechanic shop alignment piece. So let's say some of it's a little town but it's well developed.
Clarendon is big, you know.
Yeah, it's big. Yeah, man.
No, this is a countryside. You know, if you watch my videos, I'm making videos from one countryside to another.
Yeah.
Different places.
Right.
I'm intentionally doing that.
Yeah.
Because
So Mapen is the capital of Clarendon.
Clarendon, yeah.
Right? So that's just the capital.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I know that.
Beyond like there are other towns out of Mapen or other district, but it's still a part of Clarendon. Yeah, just that.
You know, if somebody have a car, you can pay a rent here and still work in Kingston. Is it not possible to drive to Kingston to work?
Yeah, but it depends on the income if it work out.
No, if you have a house, if you have a car, because of mobility, somebody can live here and work in Kingston.
Yeah, definitely.
Can leave your house by 5:30 in the morning. Yeah. Before 6:30, you're already in Kingston because your job or work start by 8 o'clock.
Yes, you can reach in time and worse have the highway, but
what I'm saying, if you have a car and you're working there, because you have a car, you make it easier for you to go out and come in.
Yeah, definitely.
It's all right, you know, because why I'm saying that is that a whole lot of people in Kingston is like
clustered.
Yeah,
I understand.
Too much population, noise.
Because
anytime I go to country, the environment look quiet, look naturally quiet, and I love it.
Yeah, it's less developed in the sense that you don't have a lot of.
I'm not even talking about development. I like staying close to nature.
Oh, okay.
That's me.
But Kingston is a well developed town. That's actually a rural. Sorry, that's actually an urban area.
Yeah.
So in urban area, you have clustered building, so it's close.
Person like me, I don't like that urban area.
Oh.
I don't like clustered area. I don't like noisy area. I don't like rush areas.
Well, that's Kingston.
You understand? Not only Kingston, so many places.
That's Montego Bay. That's Ochi. That's Mandeville.
Yeah.
Yeah, place like that.
Let's not. If not these bike people, they might make too much noise.
Yeah, it's
quiet.
Yeah, man, definitely.
So you can think.
Yeah, man.
You can make use of your brain cells.
Yeah.
You can
meditate.
You see the air you are breathing here now is fresh.
Yeah.
It will breathe in fresh air.
Yeah.
You understand? And you see natures around you all over.
True.
You understand? So that's human beings. A lot of people are different anyway.
That's true. But the country is actually a nice place, and in country have a lot of farming where in our land, well, not saying that the land in town isn't fertile, but the countryside is more fertile in terms of growing plant, because not every plant growing in the town area because it's probably chemical. Some kind of factories are outside, so but in the countryside we don't have any issue with growing food.
So you are born and brought up in this area, in this environment?
Yes, I was born and
brought up here.
Right.
So that means you know every look and cranny.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What's it talk about? Summerfield, Pennant, Mapen, yeah, man. Yeah, I know.
So the taximan that dropped me off, do you know him? I know he applied this road frequently.
Yeah, man,
you know the man, right?
Yeah, man. He's a taximan, well-known taximan on this road.
Clean.
Yeah,
man. So this river, where is it coming from?
Huh?
Where is this river coming from? The source?
From field.
From field?
Yeah, from field.
Up in the north?
Yeah, and beyond from field, but I don't know exactly where. But
are you sure this river is it not the same river that cross?
Yeah, man.
Down. If you are coming from St. Anne, coming from St. Anne to Spanish Town, there's a river
along the river.
Man, this river is big, you know. This river is big.
Yeah, so this river is connected to the Rock River.
The Rock River.
Okay. So it meets upon the Rock River. After the
river I'm talking about, if you're coming from St. Anne, you know the dangerous road, they call it the dangerous road, that bridge. That flat bridge, yeah. Is it not the same river that cross over?
I think so.
It should be.
I think this river connected.
It should be because that river is green. This one is green too.
I think so. But this river would meet up on it though. So this would meet up on the Rock River.
So you call it, what's the name? What's the name again?
Thomas River.
Thomas.
Right.
Thomas. Thomas.
Right. And over the other side there's also other river, you know, that is called the Remino River. So over the other side there's also other river. You pass it when you're coming from.
Yeah, I pass it, yeah.
So that is the Remino River and this is the Thomas River. So Penance is blessed with two rivers.
Of course,
and even Summerfield. So we have two rivers.
Two rivers, yeah. Is it government oriented, government owned farm or private?
Private.
Is this in cassava?
Yeah, that's cassava.
So they plant cassava here?
Yeah, cassava, pumpkin.
Cassava is our chief #1 food.
Yeah.
Where I come from here. But we don't do bami. You know, they use cassava here to process, they make bami.
Bami, right.
But
and make cassava dumpling as well.
Dumpling?
Yeah.
Yeah, we make cassava dumpling, but we use cassava to process our fufu. The fufu you hear Africans eat. That we use cassava. We ferment it, or we can grind it, we sheave it. After sheaving it, we dry it. Okay. You know.
Yeah, man. So I think for the last crop, most of this land was occupied with cassava.
Cassava?
Yeah. But it was cane before, just pure cane. So I don't know if it is the case where the cane money decrease or what, but they just decided to just cut the cane crop and just plant cassava. And other crops like pumpkin as well, because they plant the pumpkin in between the cassava. Therefore you have two crops coming at the same time.
Yeah. Wow. And Clarendon is big, you know.
Yes, man, it's a big parish. Big parish.
You know,
Frankfield is a part of Clarendon, you know.
Frankfield?
Yeah.
Clarendon reach Frankfield?
Yeah, man. Frankfield is a part of Clarendon. That's good.
Then why are they saying that St. Anne is biggest parish? So St. Anne and Clarendon, now which one is bigger? If you look in the map, I don't see big difference. They look like almost the same size.
Just a percentage, a few percentage difference.
But when you look closer, look very well, you find out that St. Anne is bigger.
Yeah, man.
But if you look at it, you don't look it critically.
Yeah.
Deep down, you won't find out.
Just a few percentage. So I'm gonna have a better view of the river. You can walk here, so you can.
Yeah. So you said the person that picked my call last time, it was your mom?
Yeah, right.
Your mom was at home?
Yeah.
You are cooking for your mom?
Yes, sir.
You're a good man, you know. When you told me that you are cooking, I was surprised. Yep. So I asked you if you are cooking for your girlfriend. You said no, it's your mom.
Well, I mean, we cook for
family.
Family, right?
Yeah. So what's the size of your family? How many siblings or brothers, sisters?
I have 2 sisters right now living with me.
Okay.
My mom and my girlfriend.
Okay.
So basically 5 of us living.
All right. So where are you working now? You're still working with that company?
Yeah, I'm a Westington merchandiser. My location is Volamart, so I'm still working at Volamart for Westington.
A different location?
No,
different place.
In Maple. Volamart beside the
Volamart, okay.
To work. But not working for Volamart, I'm working for Westington. It's just my location. So this is where we walk to get access to the river.
To the river, if anybody wants to come to the river.
Yeah.
But they swim the river or they're just
of course.
You see, it has much stones on the river, so I don't see it. It's not encouraging.
To swim?
Yeah.
Well, up there doesn't have much stone. But
that place is deep.
Yeah. So you don't have much.
Is there no crook there?
Crocodile? No, that's stone.
So they don't have crook here?
No, we don't have crocodile in Clarendon. Not that I know of.
But Jamaica is known for crooks, no?
Yeah, but not in Clarendon.
So which location, which parish?
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town?
Yeah.
You know the way
in some part of Spanish Town. Yeah.
There was a day I went to Spanish Town. Is it the River Bay? What is it called?
In Spanish Town?
Yeah. Is it Spanish Town?
Well, first one probably normally have like
They have a water. Look where the ship anchor. Where those fishermen? What is it called? Where the location? Not Russia. Spanish Town. No. No. Old Harbour Bay. I was referring to Old Harbour Bay. So I went to Old Harbour Bay. There I found out I saw croak.
In Old Harbour?
Yeah. Okay. I saw it there. I said, wow.
But someone was born in this.
Anyway, that water there, Old Harbour Bay, the water is a sea. It's not a river.
Right, it's a sea, right.
So this river now, croak like. Yeah. Most of them like big.
Yeah, sea. Yeah, man, deep water.
Yeah, deep waters.
Yeah, man, but Old Harbour is known for that fishing and all that stuff.
Wow. Oh, here, Jamaicans, their land here is fertile. Anything you put on ground grow. Anything.
Very fertile. It's just that in some part of the Kingston area, just some part, may not grow. But the land is fertile. Once it has been dug up, and the fertile part come up, then anything will grow. One thing I can see the pole, and behind the pole,
I don't have my zooming camera. I've zoomed it.
Yeah. So you can see from some field and look at chapter. And songs aside. And over there is also other community that's dance.
Okay, different community again.
Different, and we're in Summerfield right now. Standing in Summerfield looking at a different place. Different. A small district. Just like Mapen, you're in Mapen, you have Fernie Avenue in Mapen. You have like I don't know, stoplight still in Mapen. You understand?
Yeah.
You have Love Lane still in Mapen, but it's still Mapen. Right.
So what this location? What is it popularly known? You have a reasonable number of farmers here.
Yeah, man.
People here predominantly. What are they doing? Are they from here go to work to Mapen and come back?
Yeah.
And you have some reasonable number of farmers here.
Yeah, we have reasonable amount of farmers.
Because I'm seeing vast land. An arable vast land here, and maybe some other locations too. Yeah, so that land now can motivate people to say they want to invest into farming.
Well, I mean, a lot of person work on that plantation.
Okay, plantation, all right.
Yeah, man. So people work on it, a lot of people. Yeah. So they were employed to work on that land. But it's not necessarily their own, they're just workers. But the other farmers who have their personal land that they cultivate. Yeah. But it's like the people that go out and work is more than farmers.
From farmers, yeah, exactly. That means this location, the development is coming more and more and more. Because when a place is developing now, people tend to shift away from farming system and look for alternatives.
But it's development. It's a well-developed community.
It's developed, I see it.
Well developed. As I said, in this little town, they can have access to the gas station, the supermarket. You have store like feeding store, like chicken feeding store. Yeah. You have a bike store as well if you want bike parts. You have restaurants. You understand? You have little jerk centers. You have bars for people who like entertainment.
Yeah.
So a lot of things is in this little community. Yeah, I have a ball field as well. And there's actually a girls' home, but we haven't been around that side. Yep. And churches also. You can
I see, because if anybody live here, you lack nothing.
Yeah.
Anything you can get in the city, you get it here.
Even car wash. So
car wash, every lot, so a whole lot
of things. Yeah, and it seems small, but a lot of things happening. It's developing, man. Small place, but it's ready.
So this is the old bridge, right?
Yeah, that's old bridge.
Before they make this one.
New one, right.
I mean, the road go through that way, then cut off. Oh boy.
Oh, that road is a community, you know.
That's a different community.